Hi mommies. First of all, congratulations. You are a mother now and have a baby. What next? All the best for those endless days and night sessions of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding helps in burning those extra calories and helps you in reducing pregnancy weight. It also releases hormone oxytocin, which helps your uterus return to pre-pregnancy size. For some, breastfeeding reduces risks of ovarian and breast cancer. For your baby, the benefits are even more. Breast milk is full of nutrition and easy to digest. It has antibodies which helps your baby in fighting off bacteria and viruses and boost immunity. Research says babies who are breastfed for 1 year are smarter and intelligent than other babies. WHO recommends we should exclusively breastfeed our babies for 6 months for their growth and development and continues till 2 years. And the most important is breastfeeding helps mother and baby bond through skin to skin contact. Breast milk is free, convenient, and ready on demand. I breastfed my baby for 18 months. It was an emotional journey for both of us. Your baby comes to you not just because of hunger, but because of your love and affection and warmth he gets from his mother. So don't miss on this experience and breastfeed your baby. Let's see what other mothers are saying.
Breastfeeding is very important for the baby. It is one of the natural immunity booster. It will less the chance of your baby getting sick, and believe me, that is the best gift you can give to your baby. Please breastfeed your baby.
I am a mother of a 3-year-old son. If your baby is exclusively breastfed, then there is no need of anything else. The nutrients which breast milk has is sufficient enough for the optimum growth and development of your baby. You really don't need anything else. Okay, so I did same thing. I exclusively breastfed my baby. My advice would be really think of all the ample benefits that breastfeeding provides
I
your baby.
breastfeeded my daughter for approximately 19 to 20 months, and I feel breastfeeding is very important for your baby's growth because that is the healthiest and safest form of milk you can give it to your baby. And the bond which you share with your baby, that's just beyond you can't express that into words. You feel so connected with your baby that, oh my god, that feeling is just not expressible. So do breastfeed your baby, that's very important.
I'm a mother of twins. I'm having daughters of 3 years of age, and both of them are very healthy. I feed my babies for 11 months and it helps a lot in their growth. It is said that in case of twins, one baby is more healthy, but in mine case, both of them are equally healthy. So, to you all beautiful mothers, do breastfeed your baby as it helps a lot in their growth and development.
I breastfed my son for about 23 months because I wanted my child to get nourished from this. It was although a bit hard in the beginning, but it was easier with practice. My breastfeeding journey was wonderful since that was the only time which was exclusively shared between me and my baby. While breastfeeding may not be the right choice for every parent, but it is definitely the best choice for every child. Hence, I would strongly recommend to breastfeed your child for as long as possible.
I have 2 kids and I'm very proud that I have breastfed both my babies up to an age of 2 years. And I would also request all the mothers to please breastfeed your babies because it is very important for their health.
My son is now 2 years old and I'm still breastfeeding him. Breastfeed your baby, it's worth it.
If you like our video, please comment and subscribe and enjoy motherhood.